Hey guys, this is Kamranu from n8n. I hope you all are doing great. Guys, today I'm going to show you how we can integrate our Slack account in n8n. And we are going to connect it in a very quickest and easy way. Guys, I have a lot of videos of integration like WhatsApp Note through Meta Cloud IP, Google Workspace, Facebook page and Instagram through MetaGraph API Explorer, LinkedIn and TikTok. So guys, please must subscribe my channel and go to my playlist. You can watch all the integration videos from over there. So let's start from the Slack action node. I'm going to disconnect it right now. So this is the Slack action node and this is Slack trigger node. So I'm going to start with the Slack action node. Just disconnect it. First we will see the requirement, what we need for integration. Click on setup credential. You can see here access token auth2. So in first we fulfill the requirement of auth2, which is client ID, client secret and signature secret. On the other hand, we also need the access token and signature secret. So this is the requirement, and now we are going to get these credentials from Slack. So I'm going to open my Slack account. So this is my Slack account, and first of all I'm going to add a channel. By default these channels are already have, but for better understanding for you, I'm going to add one more channel. Create new channel. I'm naming it as YouTube demo. Click on next, public, okay, create, skip for now. Channel has been added. Now the second step is we have to connect the app. Just click on it, connect apps. Here you can see browse all apps. Click on it. Well, on this page you can see this option, open in Slack marketplace. Click on it. On this page, click on this button, build. Create an app. Select blank app. Continue. Name your app. I am naming it as Ash n8n. Select your workspace. Click create. Well, app has been created, and click on basic information. Copy the required credentials, client ID. Right now I'm pasting here so that I don't have to go again and again. On the basic page, client secret, click show, copy, paste, and signing secret. This is signing secret. Click show, copy, paste. Go back to your node credential setup. Here on client ID, paste the client ID, and client secret in client secret here, and signature secret. Here you can see the name signature secret, but we have named it as signing secret. So you can paste this here. Now we have to copy this redirect URL and paste in the Slack. Click on auth and permissions. Scroll down. Here redirect URL. Add new. Paste here. Redirect URLs. Click on add and save it. Scroll down to scopes and add new scopes. Click on add. Add the permissions. First one is chat write. This one added. Second one channels read. This one added. Third one groups read. This one. And the fourth one user read. This one. Well, all the basic scopes has been added over here. You can add more scopes as per your requirement. Go up and click over here, install the app. Click on this one. Just come over here and click on allow. Scroll down. It has given us a bot user auth token, which is to be used as a access token. So copy this one, go back to your node credential setting. First save these credentials and connect your Slack account. Connect. You can see here the permission, so allow it. Allow. Well, the credentials has been connected successfully. Now the second step, click on drop down and select the access token. Here we have to give the access token, paste the same access token we have copied from this one, bot user auth token, and we have pasted over here. So now the signature secret, I'm going to copy this one's signing secret and paste here, and just click on save. So now it is ready to work. Just cross this one, select your credentials. Here operation is send, because this node is supposed to send the message to my Slack account. Send message to channel. channel we have created over here, this one. So I'm going to select my channel. Well, you can see the channel has been appeared over here. Select your channel. Because the credentials has been set up, so if I want to test it, either it works or not. So before to do this, I have to give the parameter over here. For testing purpose, I am writing here thank you. And if I test it, execute setup, well, you can see it's not responding because in the channel application has not been added. So now we are going to add the application in our Slack channel in this one. YouTube demo in message section, select @ your channel will be appeared over here. Select this one, enter, and add this channel. Just click on send. Well, you can see here the option add them. Click on add them. The channel has been added. Now I'm going to again test it. Execute step. Well, you can see the response, the output data, and the action node is working perfectly. So this is done. I'm going to close this. And now I'm going to set up the Slack trigger. Just click on this one. So this is the trigger with action bot app mention. So now I'm going to add credentials over here. After selecting the credentials, select your channel over here. From list, drop down, YouTube demo, my channel name. If I execute it and send the message from Slack, hi, you can see it's not listening. It's not listening because one thing we have to add in the Slack, which is webhook URL. Click here, click on test URL, copy it and paste in the Slack in event subscriptions. Click on it, turn this toggle on and paste the webhook URL over here. It's verifying, not verified because the workflow is stopped. So I'm going to again execute step, click here, retry. It's verified now. The next step, just scroll down, click on subscribe to bot events, add here bot user event, click on it and select this one, app mention. Click on this, it has been added, and click on save changes. So after saving the changes, you can see over here, please reinstall your app. Just click on it, and again we have to review app permissions. So click on allow. Now we are going to test the trigger. Execute step, Slack app name, hi, enter. Well, you can see it's still not listening. So there is one issue which we missed. Click over here and click on socket model and disable this option here below. Just disable this. Now again test the trigger. Well guys, as you can see, as soon as I disable the socket mode, Slack flushed out the previous message and it got triggered because I didn't stop listening of it. So now I'm going to execute it again. Execute Slack app name, hi. Well, you can see it started to listen. You can see here, hi. We received the message from Slack. And now I'm going to connect it with AI agent. I have already connected this one through this message of user. And now I'm going to connect it with action node. This one. I'm going to run this AI agent node. And now I'm going to fix some parameter in send node. Here I'm going to remove this with this dynamic expression of n8n. Execute step. Well, you can see the output. How may I help you? So let's check it in our Slack account. Well, you can see we have received the message. How may I help you? So now I'm going to publish this workflow across. But just before publishing this workflow, we have to change the webhook URL from test to production. When we were testing our trigger node, we used the test URL, but now we are going to use the production URL because now we have to publish our workflow. So I'm going to click on production URL, copy this one, and again Slack API, click on event subscription. Remember here we have added the test URL. So now I'm going to change it from test URL to production URL. Paste here. It's not verifying because I did not publish the workflow. So I'm going to publish it. Publish. So now we can see it again. Click on retry. Well, it's verified. click on save changes. Success. So now all have been done. So go to your Slack and now it's ready to work perfectly. So I'm going to give you a demo. Select your app. Hi, send. Well, you can see how may I help you. I'm going to ask a joke. Please tell me any joke. Send. Well, you can see the joke has been received. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. So our automation workflow has responded successfully. So hope you like this video. So please subscribe my channel so that you can get more videos like this. Thank you very much.